bottling complete. Well, apart from that bit I spilled at the end, not too shabby. And we've got this ready for the fun and games, which is the hydrometer reading. I can see our little carbonation tablets at the bottom. I think I can give it a little shake. Hydrometer reading. So here we are again, back with our hydrometer. Now, what we're going to use, there are 3 scales on here. I now know that. There are 3 scales on here. The first one is the gravity, the second one is percent alcohol, which is the one we're after, and then the third one is the amount of sugar per gallon. So if I find the alcohol reading, that one, drop that in, give it a little spin to get rid of any bubbles, and so that's coming about 0.5. Now, when we did the percentage alcohol before we fermented, that was 5. It's now 0.5, and you now subtract one from the other to calculate the the percentage alcohol by volume. So this beer should come out at 4.5%. Ta-da! My last job then, before they go away for a few weeks, is my labels. So, there we go. Goldsmiths Honey Ale, ready in about 3 weeks. So, see you for the finale. Well, time for some washing up, but an opportunity to use my wicked brush. So a quick update on the Goldsmiths. So this is my little tester, which I had a bit left at the end, which I put in. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of sediment at the bottom. Now this was the last jar that I bottled, so I was tilting the pan a bit, so possibly more came through at that point, more sediment came through at that point. Now, of course, it's only been 1 week, and the instructions do say leave for 2 weeks to a month. So I've got 3 more weeks really to wait, and then it'll move to a cooler area, so another week of cooling. But yeah, I think I need to do a little bit of investigation as to why there's quite so much sediment, because we did extra hard in terms of trying to make sure that no sediment got through, and I thought those muslin bags that I used really did help the process. So still some lessons learned, I think, to come out of this one, but the beer does look, sort of the right colour, very tempting to try, but I will leave it a little longer, and then we'll test it out properly.